Hi. In how many ways can we arrange the letters of blue green such that the first four letters are the letters of blue and the last five letters are the letters of green, but no two adjacent letters are the same? Okay, so what we need is we have a blue section and a green section. In this blue section we need a B, L, U, and in this green section we need a G, R, M. And then the E's are split up between one E is here and two E's are here. But no two adjacent letters are the same. Okay. So the only issue we'd have is possibly two adjacent letters here and here, or two adjacent E's here, and two adjacent E's here. Okay. So we know if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 9, then there are 9 factorial ways to arrange the letters. But we also, I think we need to divide by 3 factorial. Because, like, let's say we have 3 things, but it's gonna be circle, circle, line. Here there are 6 factorial ways. But since there are 2 repeating, I think we have to divide by 2 factorial. Right? Because there's 1, 2, 3. 6 factorial. Maybe divide by, yes. Two times 3 is 6, times 4 is 24, times 5 is 120, times 6 is 720. So we really need to divide by okay, well, if we're just looking at B, for B, we have 4 factorial different places that we can put B. Or no, there are just 4 places we can put B. For L, there are 3 places. For U, there are 2. So, on this side, there are 4 factorial different places to put BLUE. Maybe I should start with an E here. No, never mind. For here, there are 5 letters, so there's going to be 3 factorial places to put, or no, there's going to be 5 places to put G, 4 places to put R, 3 places to put N, then we have the E's. So, maybe I should split these up into two different groups. Okay, so I think we have two different cases. Three different cases, actually. Case 1, we have E blank 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 blank. Case 2, we have blank 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 E. E. Case 3, we have blank blank, no, we have E blank 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 bar blank 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 E. In case 4, we have blank 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 bar blank 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 blank. So in these cases, here the E's will be somewhere in here and they will have two sides. But here there's only one side, here there's only one side, and here both of these only have one side. Or maybe I should split this up differently. Maybe I should do case 1 blue is E blank 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 bar. Case 1, case 2 is going to be blank blank blank. No, this isn't E bar. And then the A will be somewhere here. E will be somewhere there. I'll be right back. So, okay, so yeah, that's our first case for blue. For this one here, we first choose an E. So here there are 3 different E options times, once you choose that, you have 3 different blue options times 2 different L options, and then use determine. So for case 1B, there are 18. For case 2B, this starts to interact with the other one, so we're not going to worry about that for now. So now for green, case 1 green, E is somewhere here. Case 2 green, oh shoot, there are 2 E's, I forgot. For case 1 green, we have an E here and then an E here. With this one is determined, so there's and then we choose one of 3 for this E, and that's caught up, so we take one of 3 for the G, one of 2 for the R, and then times 1 for the N. So this again is 18. Oh shoot, but no, this one is the barred one, so it has to be, it's like this. So, this one can only go with this one. Okay, good to know. Then the other case, case 2 green, is that we have two E's here. So what that's going to look like is it's going to be either one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. So for the two E's, there's only 1, 2, 3 options. Then for the other ones, once we pick the two E's, there's 3 for that, 2 for that, and 1 for that. So we have another 18. Here, we pick the E, then we have a 3 for the B, 2 for the L, 1 for the U. This is 6. And then these two match with this. So I think if I'm not mistaken, our answer is going to be 18 times 18 plus 18 times 6. So this is going to be 18, I just factored this out, 18 times 18 plus 6, which is 24, 18 times 24, 32, 160, 40, and 200. We get, this is going to be 200, 432. Should be my final answer. Let me check. Oh wait, is that what it's asking me for? How many wait? Yeah, okay, 432. Yeah, I did it in a totally different way that they did. But one thing that is good to know is they did do this, they did do this, and then they somehow got the answer there. But, whoa, that is an incredibly straight line. Wow. But I did end up getting this wrong. What they did is said that there was like 4 factorial ways to arrange blue. There was 5 factorial over 2 ways to arrange green, and 5 factorial because it's 5, and then divided by 2 because the two E's are identical. Then they said, oh yeah, there are like, I think 4 factorial ways, 4 factorial times when the E's are next to each other. Yeah, because like, let's say the two E's are next to each other, then we could just treat them as one option, and then we have 3 others. Okay, that makes sense. So then this is 24. This is 120 over 2 is 60. 60 minus 24 is 36. And then we would multiply them. But we do have to subtract some because when these are identical, we have to subtract, I think it's 6 times 18. Or no, we have to subtract, I don't know, something with the 6 and 18. Anyways, I didn't end up getting it right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.